Today I will be taking a simple question and I've been asking questions. So if you have a question, welcome to Digital Brands anyway. This is where I deal in businesses. I help people and businesses get known, liked, trusted, and eventually they will be able to do business with you. So today in a question and answer series, I'm taking this question from Ekundayo from Ibadan, who's asking, how do I get my online adverts run very effectively, considering that people have little time or interest to and act on those things? It's interesting. I see a lot of online adverts online every day, but it's interesting because to be able to get people, you have to be able to get your adverts to go to where they are first instance. So that means you have to look very quickly at the likelihood of where your target audience is. I sell food seasoning. I should not be found on an entertainment website. Yes, you may get a lot of traffic, but the quality of that traffic will be very low. So if you find yourself having an advert on a target or on a website that does not fit into your target audience, you will have high traffic but little conversion. Conversion this point meaning that how many people eventually get to act on those adverts they see. They are different things, because what you're looking for, and I tell people every day, what you're looking for is not traffic. What you're looking for are customers, and you will only get customers if you go to where they are likely going to be. So the first thing you need to do to be able to have an effective online advert is to know where they are likely going to be. That's my first point, because now you need to know, what niche are you playing? Are you selling shoes? Yes, you'll be found in fashion and style, entertainment. They are fit for you. Do you sell clothes? Entertainment will also work for you. Do you sell, are you a B2B organization? Are you a services, do you run services? That means you have to look within the niches that actually tally with your target audience to be able to advertise on them. I'm talking about websites now. Now let me go back to Google adverts and Facebook adverts. By the time you're setting them up, you need to find out very carefully where those people are. Now, your age range has to tally, the location, the things they like. One of these I'm going to, a title just came into my head and I'm going to deal with it. How to steal your competitors' traffic. It's going to be interesting, but you will say. Now, interesting too, now your objective is also important. Are you going after brand awareness? You want to know about your business. You're just starting a business, or you want to launch your first online advertising. Then you want people to know you are not really concerned about traffic for dollar. Then you can go all out. You can do the Facebook adverts. You can do display advertising. You can go all out to any website so that they can at least know your name. That's where pay-per-impression advertising also comes into play, because you are playing for views. Now, another thing you need to understand also is, are you also looking for sales? Now I tell people, trying to advertise for what people are already looking for really looks like a misnomer. So you're selling shoes, but there are people searching for shoes every day. You're selling wedding clothes. There are people searching for it every day. You're selling bags or school. There are people searching for it every day. This time around, if your primary objective is sales, then focus on search advertising and not display advertising. Because while you are displaying to the entire world, there are people searching for the exact phrase that you are selling. So while you're selling shoes on several websites, there are people looking for shoes in Ikeja, shoes in Abuja, shoes in Mombasa every day. Now your objective is to optimize for those keywords, so that every time people type in those keywords, your website address, your online advert will be found on top of that search engine results. Another thing you need to understand also is, if you're trying to generate leads, and this is most likely important for people who are in the B2B business. People may not likely want to buy immediately, so what you need to do is to identify them as leads, then feed them into a lead generation system. Their LinkedIn advertising will work for you. Then YouTube advertising will work for you, because from there you need to be able to demonstrate the things that you want to be able to do. You need to be able to demonstrate the value your business also brings to it. And finally, are you promoting content The approach and where you're going to be able to place them is now different, because you can now also have blogging opportunities on other people's websites. You can also use online platforms like Outbrain and Contently, where you can join a network of platforms of people who have content that have been circled around the world, where they are able to help promote one another. I think I've been able. Now, finally, two more things. Your keywords. I'd mentioned keywords earlier. Keywords are phrases that people use, and let me forget the academic jargons. Keywords are the phrases that people type in search engines when they need something. That means that if I'm selling shoes, then people type in shoes. So if I'm in Keja or Mushi and I'm typing Gucci shoes in Mushi, your business, if you are also in Mushi, is to optimize for those same keywords, so that when people type in those words, you will be found. Another important thing is your copy, which is the words and the phrases you put on your adverts. Are they containing call to actions? Are you telling people what exactly they should do? I sell best bags in Lagos. Call ETCTC 080XXXYZ now. That is a powerful call to action. Don't just tell me you sell the best kind of shoes in Nigeria. So you need to also be able to include powerful copy and powerful call to actions that resonate with your target audience. With time, you will be able to understand how, and of course, your metrics will be installed. So you'll be able to track how people respond to those adverts. You'll be able to track how those adverts bring in money to you, and you'll be able to adjust as time goes. I think I've been able to answer your questions. If you have questions for me, you send me your question and I will answer with a video. Isn't that a deal? Till another time, I will see you. Bye.